Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2022 Lincoln Aviator Reserve. This vehicle has a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 with 400 horsepower and a 10-speed automatic transmission. Very nice interior in this vehicle. The materials feel fantastic, really nice leather. I love the sound system, speaker grills. Steering wheel is really nice, has a nice weight to it when you turn it as well. You have a digital gauge cluster, paddle shifters, and the seats are phenomenal. Like, look at these seats. Lincoln has one of the nicest seats I've seen. Like these newer Lincolns, like you have so much adjustability, and my whole body feels cocooned in these seats. It's really nice, and you even have individual thigh extensions, so you can see that right there, just like moving back and forth like that. You also have a heated steering wheel, ventilated and heated seats. I'll put this in the sport mode for the test drive. Slippery, normal, conserve, and excite, which is their sport mode, so to speak. Here's a reverse camera. You have a 360 camera, decent resolution. Let's walk around this car. The doors are electronic, as you can see right there. Nice wheels. Nice looking SUV. Electronic doors, as I said. You also have rear captain's chairs with the screen in the back, which is cool. You also have heated rear seats and ventilated rear seats. That's crazy. That's awesome. You don't really see something like that often. Really comfortable back here. Very impressive. You also have cup holders, third row. And what's interesting is that this has quad outlet exhaust, which is, yeah, pretty interesting for a, what do you call it, just a 3-row family SUV. And here's the trunk on this vehicle, and here's the trunk space with the third row up. Let's get this Aviator out on the road and see how it drives. Like, these are probably some of the comfiest seats I've ever sat in a vehicle. It's really nice, and I love the steering. It's so good. Lincoln definitely stepped up their game over the last few years. It's pretty dang quick too. I think this is the same powertrain in the Ford Explorer ST, because that also has 400 horsepower. This is like a luxury Ford Explorer ST, and the engine sounds really good too. Look how good that sounds. What the heck? The pickup is effortless in this car. You don't even have to try. Nice head-up display with all kinds of information on it. It's just really flawless acceleration in this car. And as I said, the materials are just so nice. Like, you know, like these kinds of seats, you don't really see seats like this that often, like with this much support for the body. It's really nice because you can drive for long distances without having back and leg pains with such nice seats. So it's nice that Lincoln thought ahead of that and made seats that are really comfortable for people of all ages and all body types, to be honest. The leather on the steering wheel feels really nice, and also like even in the regular mode, the steering has like a nice weight to it, and then the Excite mode, it feels even better. For a 3-row SUV, it feels nice and easy to control and not unwieldy. If you want a bigger option than this from Lincoln, obviously you have to get the Navigator. I'm gonna put it in the conserve drive mode for efficient driving. I think this is like top 3 most comfortable seats I've ever been in a vehicle. I bet they even have a massage function too, considering how advanced they are. Like, this V6 sounds a lot like a V8 just because of that rumble from the engine. It sounds really, really good. I don't know how a V6 sounds like that, but that's pretty cool. You do have that button selector. Extra space to put your put a little bag there, or another device or something like that underneath the center console area. Sounds good. Built-in navigation. Apple CarPlay, of course. Also have a valet mode. Pretty nice center console storage. That's pretty cool to see. But just look at the detail on the door panel and the wood, the beautiful open pore wood grain. It feels really nice. And then this is just a really, really nice vehicle. I'm very impressed with this Lincoln Aviator Reserve. I think it's extremely luxurious. It definitely surprised me. And it's better than a lot of German rivals in terms of build quality in here and the way everything feels and how comfortable the seats are. German rival, it's better than a lot of different cars out there. But yeah, great vehicle from Lincoln right here. Thank you for watching another video of Droove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for nice vehicles like this Lincoln Aviator Reserve.